Srivastav, sir, what is this issue? Why is the Congress government now resorting to temple wealth to, fund freebies?
See, first of all, I don't subscribe to this view that temple money should be used to fund your welfare schemes. And in any case, welfareism and freebies is taking a toll of not just Himachal's finances, but even country's finances, even in states where the BJP is in power, whether what they have promised in Maharashtra or what they have already promised in Delhi, they will have to deliver. So that freebies culture is giving a real pressure and strain on the economy. And today, we may keep, we will never discuss it in debates because it doesn't for some reason, doesn't make much sense to most of the mainstream media. Our stock markets are down like anything. Rupee has plunged. Unemployment rate is so high. And what are we doing? 80 crore people are getting ration. Obviously, because there is not sufficient food for them to eat. They don't have enough money, not proper employment. And this is largely one reason for that is this freebie culture. And freebie culture has to stop. As far as this temple fund being used, see in old times also, temple funds or were some kind of contingency funds which could have been used by the Raja or
Mr.
for the benefit of
sir,
Praja.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute. With due respect, no, 1 minute. You're talking about the old times. 1 minute, sir. Old times contingency fund. Why should temples bear the brunt? Why? There are other faiths also. We are a secular country. There are other faiths, there are places of worship. उनसे भी थोड़ा ले लीजिए. सबका साथ, सबका पैसा बना रहे.
If you had only, sir, Pranesh, if you had allowed me to complete, I was just saying that if temple funds are not sacrosanct, then so should Waqf funds or Waqf property should
I'm
also
glad
not
you've
be
taken a
sacrosanct.
position, sir.
If
I'm
you have
glad.
to raise money, you should raise it from all faiths.
I'm glad you've taken a stand. Atikur Rahman, I'm coming to you. Just hold on. Hold on. Syed Asad Abbas, why is the Congress party, it is floundering in Karnataka? A minister was asked a question on schemes. He said, look, this is not your monthly salary ki samay pe aa jaye. Now, they are resorting to taking money from the temple in Himachal Pradesh. Why do this, sir? Pehle aap Kumbh ko gali dijiye, ridicule people like DK Shiv Kumar, who believe in Sanatan, and then take money from the temple. Why?
Pranay Saab, that's a very fair question that you've asked, sir. Let me answer it directly. Mr. D.K. Shiv Kumar, and I stand with his statement, has stated he's a born Hindu and he will die a Hindu till his last breath. Also, being Hindu also means that he loves all other religions too. Now, coming to your point, why is this done in Himachal Pradesh? Right question, sir. I stand with you on the front. Be it the BJP government or the Congress government, both of them have used the temple fund in the Himachal Pradesh. But let us understand what is this Sukh Ashray scheme. This scheme, the money even if taken, is for the orphans, destitute women and elderly people, the senior citizen. Let us understand what is the problem of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Syed Asad Abbas, don't tell me I know where the money is going. My question is, why are you taking the money in the first place? Take it from masjids also, Waqf board. I am sure masjids also want to contribute in women and child welfare. Don't you want to contribute? आप भी दे दीजिए थोड़ा सा. ये क्या problem है, sir? Why should only temples donate, or in this case, this is not donation. सरकार के पास पैसा है, जब चाहिए जितना निकाल लिया.
प्रणय साहब, आपका सवाल बिल्कुल लाजिम है, बिल्कुल वाजिब है, और एक हिंदुस्तानी होने के नाते मैं इसका सीधा जवाब दूंगा. The fact of the matter is, respected sir, on your national television, which is mostly watched by millions of people, let me tell you, sir, be it a mosque, be it a gurudwara, be it a church, be it a temple, I think if it is for the orphans, for the women, for the elderly, it's a great step in the right direction.
But that's not happening. That's not happening.
This should
but that is not happening. What should happen, we know, but it is not happening. Let's discuss what's happening.